Hey friends, if you wish to make DuckDuckGo as the default search page in Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. Now, there are a lot of tutorials online. They show the complete process, but I will show you the easiest method to save your time. All you need to do is open Microsoft Edge, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select settings from the menu, search for the word search engine, and then the last option in these results is search and connected experiences. Click on this. You'll find an option here which says address bar and search, and you usually see this yellow mark along with it. Click on it. It shows the search engines. Change it to DuckDuckGo. Okay. And after changing it to DuckDuckGo, you can close Edge, open it, and then search for something here. And it will search for it in DuckDuckGo. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.